These Native American proverbs are life-changing. The tallest oak in the forest is just a little nut that held its ground. The best things in life are nearest: breath in your nostrils, light in your eyes, flowers at your feet, duties at your hand, the path of right just before you. The wolf does not howl at the moon, he howls at the memories. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. The only thing necessary for the triumph of evil is for good men to do nothing. The only thing that is permanent is change. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. The man who does not love his enemies is not yet a man. The journey is the reward. These proverbs reflect the wisdom and values of Native American cultures and provide insight into their perspective on life, relationships, and the world around them.